Hi there, this video is live, very intense, aggressive drive into heavy, serious rain, storm, Cornwall, weather forecast UK 23. Like this video, please thumbs up. At the moment it's still on, it's 9:58 AM in the morning. And it is the, you name it guys, Tuesday the 4th of July, and American Independence Day 2023. The drive into this very aggressive, heavy, very nasty rain storm shower or rain shower, of course going westwards down towards well, you name it, centre part of Cornwall. It's a lovely place today for a day out, well, more like indoors, National Trust property. It's pretty intense, heavy rain, isn't it? It's intense, man. It's intense, man. Very dark as well. No need for a hat today. Definitely a rain mat today. That water there spray. Oh wow, we're going through that in a minute. Oh, here we go. Splash, splash, splash. There's the water. This is tense. Driving to a rainstorm right now. Like this video. Just thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, Sunny Gems. This is my friend Sparky and Jimbo on ITF 5 fitting. So heels race this year every 5 feet to my pin and analog. Digital option 100 and ITF Friday fitting, so he'll race this show. Listen to Lara show every Sunday 9 to 12 PM with John Matt live on the Woking race day show on Lara show every Sunday. This is as intense as it gets. Of course, Cornwall when it comes to heavy rainstorms, showers of rain. This is absolutely mental. This really is dropping down to about 30 to 50%. Yeah, don't wash the car now, Dad. That's washing it for you, the weather is. Nature to the rescue. Need to watch the video. Subscribe to my show on Sunny Gems. This is tense, man. This is tense, man. Whoa. The size of those raindrops is the size of my thumb. Holy moly. The car just took us there. Couldn't wait. Mental driving. Very nice video, please thumbs up. Thumbs up, like on the screen, please subscribe to my channel, Sunny Gems. May the force be you always, kind of spot the needs of the mate, away these intense weather guys, and subscribe to my channel, Sunny Gems. Bye.